At the Global Supply Chain Institute, we interface with hundreds of companies every year. One of the things that we found in this interface is that there's a few companies that are really getting into utilizing supply chain end-to-end integration as their strategy.
And that's really what the study was interested in understanding. What helps break down those barriers is a really, really strong end-to-end value chain compelling need, whether that's the CEO's business model, business strategy, and objectives, or whether it's the chief supply chain officer's end output results. The benefit of having these sort of higher order output results, basically how we're growing sales, how we're growing profit, how we're driving cash flow, is it unifies all of those different silos and functions to work together, and it's a critical enabler to then go tackle work process changes, organizational changes, and digital strategy.
Supply chain integration deals with driving total value from an end-to-end supply chain based on analysis of the interface points within the supply chain.
My name is Steve Bowen, and I'm the founder of Pointe, a global supply chain and operational consulting firm focused on the implementation of total value optimization. What's the most fascinating part about this integration white paper? It's the ability to be able to communicate for the first time in an effective way that integration of the true supply chain can be as dynamic as disruptive digital technology. And getting that point across to all companies and to the people working in supply chain, that's a real game changer.